Hello and welcome back. In last session, you had to work with label, button, table view, and image. Now in next section, I will have a new application and new element that you can work with. I think this is a slider. So I have an idea about our app. We'll make a new app with a VAT calculator. VAT means that's value added tax. So you can think that when we buy a new product from a supermarket or some shop, we have to pay another value like VAT for that. So in app, we have a first interface. We let you ask a cost price, and you can change the VAT percent, because I think VAT are different depend on your country and depend on your product which you buy, depend on your city where you live. Okay, so in that interface, after that we have a calculate button, and when we press the calculate button, we will see the your code and VAT code and total code of that. Okay, I think that is good. So after we think about that app, and I think we have a new design in here. You can see our first interface. We have code, and here's the label of course about 25 US dollar, and some button in here for minus and plus money, and here's VAT, and here's a percent of VAT, and here's slider or minus or plus percent in here, and we have a calculate button will transfer you to another interface with code, VAT, and total in here. Here's a separator, we can add it, but you can think in this interface here, first interface, because we have code is 25 US dollar, and we have only minus and plus button. For example, when we have to pay about 30 US dollar, I think it's okay. You can plus 5 times to add more in here, but we think that when we have a 230, I think it's not good for the user. So you have to think which is better for your user, for you and for another who use your app. Okay, after you think about that, and I implement my idea like this. Instead of we have two buttons in here, we can make this 25 US dollar come to a button. So this is a button with title is 25 US dollar. So when the user click to this button, we can move to another interface in here. In here we have one label set code, and we can change this in here is 100 units in here, and 10 units in here, and unit in here. We can set it to plus or minus the 100 units, and press plus or minus 10 units in here. Okay, for example, when we want to change to 230, okay, we will set it to 2 and 3 and 0. Okay, and after that we come back in here, we will set a 230 in here. We can move out this label. We don't need to this label because we can see in here. I think it's better because when we have some slider and some label in here, I think we don't have enough space for this label. So I think it's better for this app. Okay, so our apps will have three interface, one like this, and one like this, and one like this. It's okay? Okay. In next lecture, I will help you to make that. Okay.